Hey folks, today we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Yamaha Tracer 9, one of the most popular sport touring bikes you'll see rolling through Slovenia. And honestly, I get why. This thing packs an 890cc triple that kicks out 119 horsepower and 93 Nm of torque. It's got punch, but what really caught me off guard is how smooth and flexible the engine is. You can be lazy with your gear changes, it just pulls. It's the kind of bike that makes riding easy, fun and fast. No drama, no fuss, just works. Comfort. You've got an adjustable seat height, solid ergonomics, and during my test ride I averaged 5.6 liters per 100k. Not bad at all for a bike that can tour, commute and carve up twisties. At 11,499 it's hard to beat the value. But yeah, not everything is perfect. The split instrument cluster, I don't get it. In 2025 even budget bikes from China come with slick TFT displays. Yamaha went with this weird two-screen setup that feels clunky and outdated. It doesn't ruin the ride, but it's definitely a miss. Okay, Yamaha did its job, so 2025 Tracer 9 has new up-to-date dash. So, here's the question. Would you ride the Tracer 9? Is this your kind of touring machine or do you have another favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I read everyone. And if you like this video filmed in the Austrian Alps, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching and see you on the road. Cheers!
Wow.